another day, another get ready with us to go to church. So we are gonna show you our outfit. So starting with my outfit, this is gonna be my outfit today. So for my shoes, this is my shoes.
Rubber shoes.
Rubber shoes na siya, guys. Yeah, nice kayo siya, guys. Very comfortable. And for my top, this is my top. A turtle maroon color neck. Basta, ano siya? Turtleneck na maroon ang color. If I'm right, maroon ang color, no? And then for my bottom, this is my bottom. Baggy pants. Diba?
Baggy pants
From
with kuan diri sa highways.
Yeah, from province ni siya, guys. And for my mom's outfit, she's gonna show her outfit. So, go!
Mani akong tops, mani ako ang flat sandals. Mani
Oh,
mani ang
wow.
flat sandals. Ayan dayon my upper blouse. Okay? Unya ako na siya giparisan og okay, my pants. That's not a baggy. It's on fitting na siya.
Fitting.
That's a black jeans. Okay, maura.
So, maura ito ang mga outfits namo. So, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, transition! Hey guys! So, maura na eh. Wow. Tarang makatulog ka transition, no? But this is our final look. This is our final outfit, our final look, and our final everything. No? So, it is time. It is time for the show time. Let's go!
This is my outfit. My outfit.
I have something. Okay, so that is all for our outfit.
My outfit.
So, mo na yung outfit, guys. Katong ipakita niya ganina nga shirt and black
Plain shirt and my black pants.
and black
pants.
fitting jean. Basta jean fit. Basta.
Okay, and then my flat shoe.
Yeah, flat
Shoe.
sandal. She was a fairy. So, maupo din na ako katong turtleneck na maroon na para bang. So, maupo din ni siya ako ang baggy pants. For the closer look, that is the closer look. Oh, kung ganaan pa ka-closer look, i-zoom sa imong cellphone. Kundi ito ka mong mata sa cellphone para na closer look. So, mauli na siya, guys. And for my shoes, mauli siya akong shoes, oh. Yes, mauli na siya. Ipadon dyan ako ni mo, ana.
Ihapak siya now. Okay.
So, mauli dyan niya ako to ang tanan ng outfit.
Sandals.
Mauli yung sandals.
Okay, bye-bye.
So, mauli dito, guys. Bye-bye. See you our next videos. Mwah!
Ayun ako.
Matsi malakas na aroma, wow. Giliw, di mapigil ang tukso. Damdamin ko'y akit mo, giliw. Nagpapahiwating na sa'yo, kahit walang mangyari kung hindi mo susubukan. It's been a long time. We're going up, it's our moment. Gonna be golden, gonna be golden. The before and after, so non-reliable, non-reliable. Basta mo na. Non-reliable. We're not meant to be together. I'm not Celine and I will never be Celine. Sige, screenshot ko na, bilis. Bye.